Telling everybody to come to Malaysia. I've made it to Penang, the food capital of Malaysia. And don't you worry, there won't be any Burger King in this video. I started off the day on Armenian Street, the cultural hub of Penang. Then I made my way to the Chulia Street Hawker Center in search of Penang's tastiest dishes. So we just got to Armenian Street, and this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There's a lot of different shops, boutiques, street art. So we're gonna walk around, check it out, see what's going on. The theme of umbrellas is definitely strong. You see all the ladies with the umbrellas trying to stay cool. It's about 80 degrees right now. That sun, it's piercing, but not too bad, no humidity. We're just gonna keep pushing on. I am on the hunt for an ATM. Perfect. Yesterday I was at the mall in Penang, and I noticed that a lot of people's index fingers were completely black. And I was talking to my Grab driver yesterday, and he told me that because the elections happened that day, when people go to vote, you have to dip your finger in ink, so then that prevents you from being able to cast a second vote. Hello, my friend. I told you I'd be back. Let's do a coconut shake.
Yes, small size, big size.
Let's do a small size, yeah.
One.
Just one. Thank you. All right, we got the coconut shake here.
Perfect.
Oh my goodness. Wow. This is very authentic. Tastes like actual coconut because there's actual coconut in it. Very refreshing, not overly sweet. Man, if you're a coconut lover, you need to grab a coconut milkshake on Armenian Street. The first Mexican restaurant I've seen in Malaysia so far.
1, 2, 3, let's go, go!
After walking around, my hunger was starting to rise.
It's over 9,000!
So I stopped at 𝗟𝗘𝗧 for some Indian food. They have world-class naan bread and clay pot biryani, so I went with the tandoori chicken. It didn't stand a chance. Man, that tandoori chicken hit the spot. I've been on the prowl for some protein, and that was amazing. They had little burnt pieces on the end, which were just incredible. I think I don't want to get run over here. And that mango lassi was very light. The mango lassi that I've had in the United States is a little bit thicker consistency, almost like a yogurt. So this one was a lot lighter, not so sweet. Hit the spot.
You have a girlfriend?
Fiance.
Yeah.
This is how we rolling in
Yeah.
Kuala Lumpur, or not Kuala Lumpur. This is how we're rolling in Penang.
Yeah.
You don't need a Grab.
Yeah.
You just need a pedal cart.
No.
There you go. We're just like chilling and straight chilling with the cars in traffic. Yo, this pedal car is actually pretty clutch because it acts like a glide cam, so all these B-roll shots I'm getting come out pretty smooth. So the name of my driver is Jules, and he just kind of dropped me off at this floating market and said, go check it out. So he just got to kick me out, and I'm just like exploring. Has some shops around here, temple at the end. But yeah, everything below me is water, so it's kind of interesting how it's like a pier. So the name of this area is called Jetty. It's almost like a Chinese floating market. Different little trinkets you can buy, a lot of fruit juices. All right, my ride is here. Jules. He was saying that he can pedal up to 200 kg, you said? How much you can pedal? 400 kg or 200 kg?
200 kg.
200 kg, so he said I'm super light. This guy's a beast. That ride was 30 ringgit for about 1 hour. Oh man, he was cracking me up. He's a good dude, funny guy. That's his side hustle. He has a regular job that he works until 5 o'clock, and then he does this in the evenings. So today's a holiday, so he had the day off from work, and that's why he is hustling on the pedicab. My fiance's childhood friends were in town, so we met up at the Chulia Street Hawker Center. We started off with some 𝗟𝗘𝗢𝗙𝗢 and satay ayam. That's chicken satay for all you 𝗟𝗘𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙 out there. I saw a long line and a chef with an MSG apron, so I didn't need much convincing. I was introduced to 𝗠𝗘𝗡𝗧. It's a Cantonese noodle dish that has become one of Malaysia's top dishes. It features egg noodles in a hot broth with barbecued pork and dumplings. As a card-carrying, picky eater, I can say this was the best dish that I had in Malaysia. We wrapped up the evening with reflexology and a relaxing shoulder massage. Well, another video is in the books. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be yourself and you'll make a difference. Peace.